Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Surbi and thank you so much for giving me all the love and support that you always give. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe below because it is going to mean a lot to me and I really need your support. Now, in today's video, I will be telling you about the products for acne prone skin, some tips and tricks for bonus tips that all is required. So please stick in this video with me till the end because there will be a lot of information going to be there. Also, this video is not only meant for girls but also for boys. So skincare is like gender free. You need to take care of your skin, and for acne I do understand that it is really very difficult to take care of your skin and to apply makeup underneath, and a lot of things keep on going on, and it's just an hormonal imbalance that keeps on arriving. It cannot be cured, to be honest, because it is something that you need to take care. It is a daily investment of your time, of the products. Everything goes together, so consistency is a key and you need to do that in a very good way. So please bear with me till the end of this video and give it a big thumbs up, and do share with all of the people you think that require this help. So without a further ado, let's get into this video. Now I have a big list going on here and there are like 13 to 14 points that I want to cover. So starting off with the very first thing, first see, I want to clear this thing that acne are very normal, okay? It's just something wrong in your body happening which you are not aware of maybe, and it can be your diet issue, gastric issue, or any other imbalance happening inside, and that is a reason that acne shows in different ways. Like you can have your acne on your face, on your back, on your chest, any part of your body, okay? So don't worry, it has the solution definitely, okay? So just consistency is required and that's it, you're good to go. Now the very first thing is I will go in order of your skincare routine, be it day or night, okay? So the very first thing you need to do is cleansing, okay? Now even if you are a dry skin with acne or oily skin with acne, you need to take care of it, right? So you need a cleanser which is foaming but also very gentle on your skin and is not very harsh or dries off and takes out all the natural oil which is required for the hydration of your skin. Because the very major reason that your acne occurs, your breakdown happens, is because of the extreme amount of dehydration underneath your skin. So even if your skin is oily, it is all on face what you are looking, but inside your skin, like inside your skin, underneath your skin is super dehydrated. That is the reason we keep on saying that you need to take care of your skin and you need to apply lots of moisturizer even if you are an oily skin. So cleansing face wash basically, which is very gentle on your skin. Now try including cleansers which have neem, tulsi, or anything like green tea which is antioxidant, rich in antioxidant, okay? And it is very gentle. It is like you do not require to daily exfoliate your skin. It should be very foamy, and after you wash your face it should not feel very drying. That is the first step. Now step 2 is toning. Toning is very important because it is required to tighten your pores, okay? Anywhere on your face your pores need to be cured, okay? Like open pores hai, you need to tighten it because gunk hoga will lead to acne in future. So you need to take care of that. So toning is really very important and it also cures the texture of your skin. So now invest in toners, okay, which are like natural, and even if not natural, it has a niacinamide or salicylic acid, like of that, okay? BHA, vitamin B3, these are the ingredients that you need to look when you go for a serum, for a toner, okay? Because these are acne fighting, like basically meant for acne. So use toner which are meant for acne prone skin, okay? You will get like a toner for plum makes some good toners. Then you have Biotique. I personally like the cucumber pore tightening from Biotique. It is really very good, so invest in that. And then you have various types of toner. Even Clinique makes some best toner and moisturizer, so invest in that. So first you need to do cleansing your face, and then you need to move to toning. Now right after you're done with the toner comes in a big picture your serum. Never skip your serum. Now serum is actually repairing, I can say, supplement for your skin, because it is a product which is going to heal and go penetrates deep inside your skin and going to provide you the deficiency of vitamin, like vitamin B3, and which is niacinamide, and salicylic acid, which is really important, improves the texture for your deep hydration, for fighting that acne, for clearing all the dead cells that you're having. It sheds out everything. So vitamin C and also vitamin C serum, like that, you need to apply it once you are done with the toner, so it repairs your skin. I would always recommend to go for a serum, mostly like a repairing serum or a repairing oil in your night care routine. So at night, because when you sleep, your skin gets time to repair, and that is why it is meant to include in your nighttime routine. Okay, so after cleansing, toning, you should go for a serum. Now you will get a lot of serum face oils, and I would recommend, if you go, again I'm telling you this thing, if you go and look like which serum or toner works best for you, check the ingredients. Okay, are those ingredients like for particularly acne or not? You should look for salicylic acid, which is like, and niacinamide, like BHA, vitamin B3, all this should, retinol, this should be there, because these are meant for acne prone skin. Okay, so once you apply serum, then go for your spot treatment. Now you will not trust me on this, I know, but definitely I can tell you that spot treatment is like life changing. It is a beautiful thing to do. If you are someone who is suffering from acne, start doing spot treatment. So in spot treatment, by the name itself, you understand that you don't need to apply it all over your face. It is just spot treatment. That's it. You do not need to go and do a lot of stuff. So you need to cleanse, tone, apply a serum, and then move for your spot treatment. After spot treatment comes the key ingredient, which is moisturizer, which is going to help you again for keeping your skin super hydrated. Now choosing a moisturizer for dry and oily skin is always something like you don't understand. People think that we have oily skin, we cannot apply a moisturizer because it will be sticky. No, your skin needs to get hydrated with the moisturizer. So what you have to do is you have to understand the type of moisturizer which is going to work. If you are a dry skin, you can go for heavyweight moisturizer, for the creamy one, which is going to give you a long lasting hydrating, glowing, a little bit of greasy skin. But if you are someone like me, if you are oily skin, then you need to invest in a lightweight moisturizer, which are more on like a water based or gel based, like the Clinique Surge one, amazing. Pond's Light Gel, amazing. So like of that. One more thing that I want to cover for any skin type, especially if you are a sensitive skin type, you need to understand this thing, that avoid using products which has fragrance to it, which has artificial perfumes to it, because then your skin becomes very sensitive, you start burning out and you instantly break out. Like with me, it happens most of the time. If I go for the products for my skin care, I'm talking about skin care, which has perfumes or fragrance, a lot of fragrance going on, then I always end up suffering breakouts the exact next day. I will get around my T areas. So never do that. That is going to change your life, trust me. So you need to take care of the chain that you need to follow, the exact routine, what step by step. So cleansing, toning, going for a serum for your repairing, and then spot treatment, and then finally moisturizer. One more thing. Now I didn't include this because we are at home, but since life has got back, so we will step out. So after moisturizer, one thing for acne prone skin, especially like for all skin types, but especially for acne prone, you need to include SPF. Now what is SPF? SPF is basically something like a sunscreen which you need to apply for your extra nourishment, for your extra care, because of the sun rays, which are very harmful. So you need to take care of that. So go for SPF 30. Okay, look for the sunscreen which is SPF 30. Try to go for the products which are made like kit wise made for the acne prone skin. Go for the same range, use the same face wash, moisturizer, toner, serum. Try doing that. If not, then you can try different brands like Dr. Shave, amazing, Biotech, Plump, Neutrogena, Clinique. All of these, they are not paying me for saying all of this, okay? Like for the sake that I need to help you guys, to let you know that these are the products. And now it is also very easy because On lots of sites and Instagram also, you will see ads popping up, and they just ask you few questions, like particularly, and customize the product for your skin type. So that is an amazing thing. But if you feel that this is something which I need to invest a lot in, then you can go with the basic things that I just said, because all of these are affordable products. So you can go in with, and using a serum will change your life. Okay, and a moisturizer. So just invest in a good serum and moisturizer, everything's going to be good. Now let's talk about few more information, like few more things that I want to say. The very first thing is be consistent. Now obviously you'll be like, we know, but kaise, kya? See guys, you need to understand that if you need to take care of skin, if you need to take care of your acne, because acne are something which will go if you take care of them, but also arise back. So consistency is important, to take care, to um, stop them from coming, or even if they come, do not make them worse. So all of these things will help you if you are consistent. It is like a daily therapy. It is not a medication process that you will do it like a few times and then you just gonna switch. You don't wanna do it. You are not bothered about it. No, this will make your acne worse. So you need to take care that each and every day you need to invest your time and go on. Other thing is your eating habits. Now, immensely, like majority of the time I have heard this acne problem, even which happens with me, is when we eat sweets, sugar. When I'm telling you this, trust me on this, you need to cut down your sugar, your eating habits especially. Drink lots of water. It should not be like on some days, on few days that you're gonna keep your body hydrated. No. It should be like every freaking day you need to take care and drink lots of water. Cut down on sugar as much as you can, because that will really help you in taking care of your acne, in not making them worse. Okay, so as I said, that serums, try including your vitamin C serum, niacinamide, salicylic acid, something like that in your nighttime routine. I will link down few products in the description box, so do check them out. These are the products that you can just go and check the ingredients and what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So it is vice versa. You can just have a look on them which fits in your budget. But all the products are super nice, super good, and dermatologically tested. So it's really good. So do, because it is like verified and tested, and you need to just take care of it. One more thing, which is like very basic, but we almost forget it every time. Stop applying your hands on your face each and every time, especially your dirty hands, because you have no idea when you have touched, and even if you're out, what bacteria or germs are on your hands, and then you keep on putting your face, like your hands on the face, and then it becomes worst. We don't understand. It is just a matter of seconds, but when you are outside, try to avoid touching your face again and again. Trust me, these are like few small things, but gonna help you really well. You will thank me later and thank yourself later, because you inculcated all of these things in your life. So few changes in your habits is a must when you have a skin with acne. Okay, it's normal to have acne, but to take care is your responsibility, is your duty. If you don't liking your acne, obviously we all want our skin to be good, not only in terms of looking, but because acne are very painful. Okay, it builds so much inflammation, redness, it pains, it bleeds a lot of time if it is worst. So we need to take care of it. So do understand this thing, that you need to be very consistent and gentle with yourself and inculcate this habit right now. Other thing is, if you are someone like me who keeps on applying makeup, then make sure that while performing your skincare routine, while removing your makeup, start double cleansing. It's a game changer, guys. You need to understand this thing, that only face wash is not going to cleanse your face. Before that, you need to melt down your makeup and remove it thoroughly, and then go with cleansing, which is like completely going to remove all the gunk and all the makeup from your skin. So double cleansing is important, so try doing that. Micellar water, or you can even go for balm, which are meant for like double cleansing that removes the makeup. Go for that. A big thumbs up for that, definitely. Then you can also one thing, face pack. Now do not go and exfoliate for your skin each and every day. Do it once or twice in a week, okay? And that too like gentle exfoliation, not like very harsh with your skin. And applying a face pack twice is enough. I would say that once, and if you're using a sheet mask, then one Sunday is enough. You need to do that. Like if you start using a face mask, it has so much hydration. Like one sheet mask like almost has like one bottle of serum. It is so super hydrating. So your skin requires that hydration. So if you are someone to use it, I would recommend that go and use it, and like every Sunday, mix it in your Sunday skincare routine. And if not all of that, then drink water and apply a face pack which is more like multani mitti, chandan, or neem, or green tea. The best is green tea. Use, because it is rich in antioxidant. It is going to help you really well for your acne. It is also very cool and helps you fight that redness, inflammation, and all the specific bacteria which are present on your face, which will welcome your acne. Now that I want to say is I'm almost done with the video. After all of this thing, I would highly recommend to go for a dermat. Like visit a dermat if you think that your acne are very worst, or you are someone who is suffering from like lot of acne, severe acne problem. Then go for a dermat once at least, because they will literally help you understand your skin type, what ingredients will suit your skin, what products. They will in fact specifically give you few products like few lotions, creams, and lot of serums, and so many more things and more tips than me. I am here to tell you about the acne basics and all the skincare routine, and this is something which will definitely work for you, because it has for me and for all of my family members who are dealing, even my friends. So I can tell you after all of that these are few things, these are the products, these are the steps you need to take care of this. So do this, okay? This is like an extra thing. डर्मैट के पास जाओगे, एक मेडिकेशन काइंड ऑफ थिंग होगा, एंड with that you need an extra care and extra nourishment, which is that skincare and all of these which you are performing, okay? And few habits that you are inculcating in yourself. So you need to understand this thing, because there are like very rare chances, but still it happens that a lot of times some products works for someone, but for the other person it doesn't work. So I would recommend that go and check once with a dermat who is like not suffering from a lot of acne, and then just go ahead with these basic things, because these are like just few changes you have made in your lifestyle, and your life would be really better, and you will thank me later on. One more thing, the last one. If you are not sure that this product will work on your face or not, and you are not feeling confident enough, firstly trust me, this will work, because all of these products which are meant for acne have certain amount of chemicals in certain amount of proportion, so it is not gonna like cause you any harm. Still, if you feel so, do a patch test always on your neck, like side mein, because almost it's the same thing, or you can go for this, your elbow, okay? So just do a patch test and keep it for like 5 to 10 minutes. You will understand itself by yourself. So that is it for today's video. I hope that this was really a very informative and helpful video for you all. Please do share this video with lots of people, and if you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me there, because I come up with more fashion contents, with more of these contents and skincare routine over there. So do follow me and do subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for sticking right now, and do check the description box, because I'm linking all of the products step by step. So do check it out. Bye bye.